Smart Reverb not only computes a reverb from scratch based on your input signal, but also gives you the option to fine-tune its spread and density over time. You can limit or expand the reverb within the stereo field by playing with its spread in the temporal shaper in the particle display. If you want the spread of the reverb to start out narrow and expand quickly over time, just drag the thumbs or lines. You may not want to spread out the reverb in the low end, since this may lead to blurred sound. Limit the spread to a certain frequency range by dragging the line in the particle display. Now I am going to fine-tune the temporal behavior of the density. In this case, I want a faster increase in density.